Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make millet flour. Very simple and easy to make. And with this millet flour you can make your Hausa Kooko. You can easily make your millet dishes out from this millet. So I hope you like this recipe, and stay tuned as I bring with you other recipes from this millet. And before I start, I went to the Indian shop where I got some maize, millets, black-eyed beans. So you can find these ingredients from your local Indian shops. They have different kinds of millets. They also have powdered millets. Yes, so let's get started. Before I start, I'll go ahead and soak the millets in water overnight. So I have here 4 cups of millets, and to it I'll add some water to it, and then we will continue from there. So it's the next morning, and as you can see, it's kind of a bit fermented a little bit with all that stuff on top of the water. So I'll go ahead and wash it very well. Next, I'll transfer it to a clean kitchen towel to dry the millet a little bit before I'll transfer it onto a tray, and I'll let it sit in the sun for about 1 to 2 days for it to be very dry before grinding. And if you are enjoying this recipe, don't forget to give me a like, share, and also comment. And don't forget to also subscribe if you haven't done so. So as I said before, I'll transfer it onto a tray. Now let it sit in the sun for 2 days for it to be very dry. And lucky for me, it's very sunny and very hot at my side. So yeah, I'll leave it in the sun, and as you can see, it's dry. So next I'm going to go ahead and grind it until it's very smooth. So it's done grinding. At this point, I'm going to transfer it into a large bowl, and I'll continue with the rest until it's all done. So here we are. It's all done grinding, and you can see it's very nice and smooth. But I'll go ahead and I'm going to strain it again to get any particles inside out, because I want it very smooth. So I'll strain the last one and we'll be done. Yeah, so it's all done now, very smooth. And with millet you can make many dishes with it, so stay tuned. I'll be bringing you a lot of recipes out of this millets. And we are all done. So I'll strain it once more again. Yeah, so it's all done, and I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share if you like this recipe. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.